today?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, you know I'm your biggest fan, like seriously, I'm not kidding. What do you think about your job?
I think my job is very nice. I take out people's garbage and then throw it away.
Yeah, it's really nice and really useful job.
Yes, it's very, very, very useful.
Tell me something about your normal day.
My normal day is people throw sticky garbage in it. Then I close because there's too much garbage. And then what happens? I do not know. They kill me.
Okay, Mr. Garbage. So, which garbage do you like the most?
The garbage I like the most are bananas. Banana peels. It's so nice, you know?
Okay, I have to go. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, that is stinky.